Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to book your theory test in the UK. So what you need to do is to go to gov.uk, right here, /book theory test, right there. So as you can see, it's gov.uk /book theory test. So go ahead and click on this, and then this will show you the first one. And here are the few things that you will need to have. It is, you will need to have your UK driving license. So of course, this means that this is your provisional driving license. So if you don't have your provisional driving license yet, then this means that you will need to go ahead and get your provisional first. So get your provisional license, and then make sure that you have an email address, credit card or debit card. And then of course there are a few more information here that you need to take a look at. So you must have lived in England, Wales or Scotland for at least 185 days in the last 12 months before taking your driving or your theory test. And then the tests costs £23. Now you will need to go ahead and go through this. Go ahead and click start, and then you need to just go ahead and wait for the queue itself. So we're in a queue to book, change or cancel theory test. So I'll just go ahead and wait for this. Sometimes it may take longer depending on the number of people trying to make changes right here. And then just go ahead and read through all of the information that you need. And then this asks, do you need support for your theory test? This really depends. So go ahead and read through this if you are eligible for any of this. Then if you are one of these eligible people, then you can just go ahead and click yes. If not, just go ahead and click no, and then click on continue. Now you need to go ahead and add all of the details for your theory test. So this will be from your provisional license. So do make sure that this is exactly what it says. And it is all in capitals. So all in capitals right here. And then go down and then add in your first and middle names. Again, this is anything to do with all of your details right here. So it will be on the second option, on the second row of your provisional license. Again, do not add Miss, Mr. or Mrs. or Miss. Just add in your name in here, again in capitals, so that everything makes it much smoother. Go ahead and add in your date of birth, so it will be your day, your month, your year, and then add in your driving license number. So this will be on the fifth column. Just go ahead and add it in here. Go ahead and click on continue, and then this will go ahead and go to the next page, where you will need to go ahead and select the location where you want to go ahead and take your theory test. So there will be some availability in terms of when it will be. It will tell you in terms of what time as well. So you can go ahead and select this, where is the nearest place for you, and as well as going into the payment section where you can go ahead and make the payment for your theory test booking. Once that you have booked it, you will then go ahead and get an email from them saying that your theory test has been booked and for you to go ahead and take it. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.